How to recover SQL database password. Does your SQL database get locked? Have you lost or forgotten the SQL Server password? If you've forgotten the SQL Server password, then you are probably in a panic. But fear not, in this video we'll describe how you can change the password and once again have access to the SQL database account. Some reasons why SQL database gets locked. System administrator account gets locked due to entering the wrong password. Password lost by SQL Server system admin. If login credentials belonging to the role of the sysadmin are removed mistakenly. Logins are not accessible to the previous employers who left the organization. Recovering the SQL Server database password by manual technique is a very challenging task. The manual technique consists of several steps and requires a high level of technical knowledge. If any step gets skipped, the data will be lost, but we have a simple technique for you. With SysInfo SQL Server Password Recovery Tool, you can reset and recover the SQL Server database password easily. Important features of the tool are: 1. Can easily reset the password by just uploading the master MDF file from the system. Instant reset of password. In just a few seconds the tool resets the password. With preview feature, a user can preview the list of all MS SQL Server users in the list control. By this way you can know if the password of the user account that is going to change is available in the selected MDF file or not. The tool effectively unlocks the user accounts of an individual and system administrator. 100% safe, secure, and easy user interface. No technical knowledge is required. It is designed with an interactive and easy-to-use interface and hence, no technical knowledge is required. The tool supports MDF files of almost all MS SQL Server versions, including MS SQL Server version 2014, 2012, 2008 R2, 2008, 2005, and 2000. Highly compatible with all versions of Windows, including Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows 2008, 2003, 2000, NT and 98. Working of the tool. Download the tool. We have given the download link in the description. Run the tool. Click on the Browse button to select the MDF files. Choose the desired MDF files and then click Open button. Now select the desired user for which you want to reset the password. Then click on Change Password button and type a new password for the selected user. Select the Change Password option for resetting the password for the user account. Once the new password is set for the selected user, click OK.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.